Hi, I'm Terry Kyle, co-founder and CEO of WPX.net. In this video, I'm going to share my best experience from the almost 10 years now of WPX hosting WPX.net. And hopefully that's going to jumpstart or give you a shortcut to successfully launching your own online business. So in this video, I'm going to give three areas of advice, three principles that I think are extremely important if you're going to successfully launch a new online business. Number one, you need the willingness to learn. And what I see with a lot of less experienced entrepreneurs is that they're very, very impatient. And if you think about the fact that a doctor or a lawyer may need to study for 6 to 8 years, and yet often with an online business, new entrepreneurs don't want to wait a week or a month or 3 months, it seems kind of crazy. So you do need that willingness to learn initially. The second thing that you need is not just the willingness to learn, but you need to be prepared to take action. And you'll do a lot of experimentation. You'll be confronted by the occasional failure, which is completely normal among us entrepreneurs. And that's okay, because that's how you grow and expand and see new opportunities and realize what is not going to work, and you see potential in this other thing that can work. So you need to couple this willingness to constantly learn with a willingness to take action as well. The final thing that's very important if you're launching an online business is that you shouldn't have any fear of selling. And at first, when we sell things, we can feel very exposed and vulnerable, and we're afraid of people saying bad things or leaving bad reviews on Trustpilot or Amazon or wherever we're selling. But if you know that you're actually selling a good product and you have good customer support, you have nothing at all to feel bad about, and you should feel confident and good about openly selling your product or service in the marketplace. It's also good to recognize that it's completely normal when you first start having an online business or even any kind of business that you feel this obstacle, this mental or emotional obstacle to selling things. But very quickly that goes away. And provided you're operating in a very ethical way and you have high ethical standards, high values, it's all very good, and that's likely to serve you very well in your online business. Now, those three principles are just my own observations, and I really encourage you to share your own experiences and principles based on what you've discovered as an entrepreneur in the comments below. Those are just my opinion on those three, but I'd love to hear different angles from other business builders as well. If you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you do that, you will probably trigger something very good in a different multiverse right now when you do that.